Hello guys, welcome to another video. So guys, today I'm gonna talking about how to build a mini refrigerator, part 2. Step 3, cutting the arsenic sheets. First I took the measurement of regular coke fan. Then I finalized the refrigerator size. My refrigerator size is 6.5 inch into 11 inch into 10 inch left LW. So to make a box with this measurement, we need 6 rectangular sheets of following size. Number 1, base 11 inch into 6.5 inch. Number 2, top 11 inch into 6.5 inch. Number 3, left side wall 11 inch into 10 inch. Number 4, right side wall 11 inch into 10 inch. Number 5, front door 6.5 inch into 10 inch. Number 6, back 6.5 inch into 10 inch. Note, actually the front and back cover size is 6.5 inch minus 2 into arsenic thickness into 10 inch. Apart from the above 6 sheets, we need a few extra sheets for making different compartments. I used my Rockwell blade runner inverted jigsaw to cut the above size 4 mm aesthetic safety wire safety goggles during cutting. Number 4, for cutting the salt for Peltier model. To fix the thermoelectric cooler model, measure the cold size side plastic refrigerator radiator and mark the outlines on the arsenic sheet. This sheet's size is same as the front and back cover, i.e. 6.5 minus 2 into thickness of arsenic into 10 inch. Drill a hole inside the marked area inside the jigsaw blade and follow the marked lines to cut out the slot. And step 5, paint the arsenic sheets. First, peel up the protective cover from the arsenic. I have transparent arsenic sheet in my stock, but I wanted to make it white, so I spray painted the sheets to make white. Expert the front door and departments. This step is optional, as the choice of your colors depends on you. If you want to make similar to mine, you can buy the white aesthetic sheets. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy this video. Thank you.